So hello friends, today I got the Realme Buds Q2, and for this I was researching quite a lot, and there were different range of um this buds you will see in the market. And after some research I found this as the good buy, because this Realme Buds Q2 has a noise cancellation feature. So because we are living in such a world where we cannot expect the silence in our surroundings, and this disturbs our meeting. So this is one of the features which makes it unique. And so let's unbox this. Okay, coming to, I will just tell you about the price I paid for this, and I will tell you. So before that, let me just unbox this. I was just trying to open this, break the seal. So here at the same time you can see that the generic name is phone, and address, month and year of import is May 2021. It has one earphone, one charging cable, air tip left and right, and it has a tip cards, and it has a start guide with the casing, and these are some of the dimension. So these are some of the things which is here, and the information, and the MRP price which it says is 3,499, so 3,500. So here you can see this is looking cool. So this is the font. Okay, here it is. It's very smooth, and here is the case where the wireless charging will work. So this is the case. Okay, it has already some charge. I think it has a battery inside, so in case if you want to carry this along, and if you are not carrying any other charger. So I think this, yeah, here it goes. Yeah, it has some magnetic field, so the moment you take it close to the box, it will get adjusted. You don't have to place it, it will do it by itself. So it's placed, so I can close it. And also it has one more opening here. I think it has got some specifications here. It says Realme Buds Q2 getting started guide. It has a USB for charging, and here I can see one more. Yeah, it has extra earbuds, so you can use this in the later stage when you want to. So this is all it has. And I was just reading, and it was telling like it has a warranty for 1 year, the repair warranty, and it has also, it has a power continuously, you can use it for 6 hours after charging. So it says it has an active noise cancellation. It has 28 hours total playback. It has 10mm dynamic bass boost driver. It has a, I think this content is covered here, 88 ms super low efficiency transparency mode, dual mic noise cancellation for calls. So this is all the features it has. So coming to the pricing, I got some good deal from the Reliance Digital store, and I got it for 2,500. So here today I had made the purchase, you can see. So I paid this much, and I tried the quality of the sound, and it seems to be very good. So I will charge it, and then I have already tested the demo part. So here I just need to connect it to my phone using Bluetooth, and I can use it. So this is really useful for the Zoom meeting, which we often do. So here it's all about this, and I think it's Best Buy, so you can take this as a suggestion. So there were many AirPods which I was looking, which was ranging from 4,000 to 12,000. But because one of my colleague was also using this, and I finally got this today. That's all. Bye bye.